Ready? I know when. This one? Not from here. Oh.
Use the teeth. Yeah, there you go. What in our what is this? Oh. You see? Move it, Joy.
Is that a dagger?
Yeah, hold it too. Hold it.
Johnny, is that a dagger?
Go.
So throwing knife.
This is heavy but cool.
What is it?
A billion stars.
You gotta show it to us.
Wait. Billion stars.
Hold it up. We can't see it. There you go. All right.
Billion stars.
Show us the back.
The back.
Sheesh, we're gonna open that later.
And
What else we got?
another.
Yeah, we're not opening that one ever. We're collecting it. So you're gonna pick one to open.
Another one. And then these booster packs. Hopefully we get the Charizard or the Pikachu.
Awesome.
1, 2, 3, 4. I feel something. Lightning. Oof, I see something. Energy, Marine's Pride, Rotel, Berry, Broomy, Impidimp, Staryu, Riolu,
Oh, I see something too.
Starly,
Charizard.
Charizard!
Charizard. The first one. Oh shit. Oh shit.
You're out.
Oh
Charizard.
shit. Oh shit. Just a high five.
That was sick, bro. Is that the one you needed or what?
There's 3 more Charizards in this pack.
In the set, actually. In the set.
All right. Ready?
There, yeah.
And floop. And floop. All right. What we got? Black code? Or-
Black border. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Dark energy. Ooh, I guess I saw something. Top, Magma Basin, Crawdaunt, Duskull, Grimer,
Move your thumb so we
Shinx,
can see the Pokemon. Move your thumb. There you go.
Beedle,
There you go.
Electabuzz,
Uh-huh.
Cubble,
Reverse hollow.
Klinger V.
Nice, not bad.
No, that also.
Kingler.
Here. We're not gonna put it in the sleeve yet, but just put it in there. The Charizard we need to because it's way more valuable.
Valuable.
All right, go. Oh wait. After this one, we gotta go over there because Grandma wants us to go over there. She wants to see you pull something cool.
If I do.
Feel anything?
I feel some
Yeah?
red. Oh, I think it's rainbow rare.
No.
Uh-huh.
You still gonna take this jacket?
Nah.
Alright, bro. You better not.
I'll put it in the trunk, but yeah, no. Name them. You gotta read. Staryu.
Riolu. Ultra Ball.
Reverse hollow.
Rosy
You did get a secret rare, bro.
Damn, that's sick.
You see? Yeah, there you go. Sheesh, you pulled the secret rare. You're good at secret rares. That's your 4th one.
Roger, here we are. We get to leave for 30 minutes.
I know.
What time is it?
About to be 5. Is that where the Lakers were? Yeah.
And a flip.
Look what I just pulled right now.
Careful, deja al niño se quiere sentar. Suéltalo aquí con él.
This one.
Hold it like this. So we can see the cards. Yeah.
All the freshness and softness of home, even when you're not at home. Feel the difference from Downy.
Well, you go. You
Show Grandma, what do you do? What do you do? Oh, you already did it?
Yeah.
Say them.
Print plop, clean, sprint bomb, axial, impotent, magmar, axial again.
LSQ. LSQ.
SQ. That's all. And then Charizard. Let's see. Which
Lightning.
water?
You feel anything?
No, but I see something.
Yeah? Okay, bet.
I saw something black. Probably like a V card.
He didn't hear me.
I told you, Grandpa V. That new one?
Yeah, I don't know. I've never seen it.
Me neither.
But that's pretty cool.
I know. Which one do you want me to say?
Ooh,
V-Star!
Nice. Water energy.
Okay. But in my opinion, I would say lightning.
Oh, well, there isn't because there's a V-Star.
Torterra, Luxio, Montop, Magma Basin,
Yep.
Cherubi, Riolu, Starly, Sprint Bomb, Perleon,
Reverse hollow
Tortrig.
Tortwig. And
That's all.
that was it?
No,
Oh.
yeah, I thought I skipped one. When are we opening the booster box?
When I pick you up on Saturday.
Why not today?
Because we don't have time. Maybe when we get back, if you're down and if you're still awake.
Yeah. Oh, I see something. I see something black, which is a V.
8.
More Pico V!
Last one?
Yeah. So shiny.
Press 2.
Hope he gets the Charizard. This is a whiteboard, so nothing good. Lightning. Last form. Madam. At least we got a Charizard.
Pull it out. Show everybody what you pulled.
And this.
So far it's the only one he pulled, but I bought 2 more.
Pico V, Kingler V, Grandpa V, Klinger V, Pico V, Grandpa V, Charizard V, Rosini's backup. This one's my favorite.
Which one?
This one. And this one. And this one. And this one.
More Pico V.
Did I mark it? Yeah, I got
Oh, yeah, I did it wrong.
Word.
Okay, what is that? Dark energy?
Yeah. I see nothing.
Oh, sick. Wow.
Oh,
That's
hollow?
sick though, yeah.
Nice.
We have that one already.
But hollow rare? I don't think so.
Alright, which one's this one? User. Shit.
Ooh, white coat. That's good.
Yeah.
No, that's a white border.
Oh, sorry.
The black border's good.
Pick the. I like that one. That one looks sick. Oh, the first one of this.
Oh, you do got something, Johnny?
Oh, I do got something.
Oh, my god!
Sick.
What is it?
I don't know. I've never seen a
Yeah.
card like that before.
Heat ran.
¿Qué es el diablo?
Diablo.
Bro, that's gold. I have this one, but
Told you
blue.
I wanted to save it, but I told Joy let me save this till after the game. And no, just open it right now.
He said these are gonna be good.
I told you, and I called that shit. Damn.
That's fire, bro.
And my dad.